Good morning, loves. Good morning. Good morning. It is day 3 in Namibia. Starting my day with a good workout today. I just want to first go get some breakfast, like maybe eat like some cereal or bran. A young breakfast, nothing too hectic-ish. Because also that breakfast, that's so overwhelming, like, because I literally want to eat everything. Yeah, like because I couldn't get my sneakers yesterday, so I'm just gonna go with these to the gym. Yeah, and I quickly have to go just catch up with my colleagues before they go to the conference. I'm gonna join them in like an hour's time. No, not in an hour's time. What time is it now? It's like 8 now. Yeah, in like 2 hours time. So I just want to quickly just at least like treadmill nyana, cause I don't feel in shape because of all the food I've been eating, and I don't want to like go backwards because I've been doing really well at the gym. So now me not being consistent and eating all this food here, it's gonna be a problem for my summer body goals. But yeah, people just need to put these shoelaces quickly. Also, like, why is this taking so long? Ugh. Oh, what is this now? What are you doing? Why are you doing this? But yeah, guys, hopefully I have a beautiful workout, and I hope it's not full, because also it's morning, and the gym is not even big, it's really small. Hey, I'm actually so tired. Well, I'm not tired, but still sleepy, but ain't no time for that. Sleep later. Got things to do, baby girl. Got things to do. Oh my god, what? Okay, and then and then what? Okay, and then this, and then this. Cool. Guys, I really like this bodysuit so much. Like, it's a gym suit and it's open like a bag. Oh, it's so cute. I like it. And yeah, guys, I really need to get rid of this little cover of mine. Dinner and J. Let me just have this here so I can just for when I want to tie my hair. But yeah, I will see you guys. Also, I need a stand for this cam. I have a stand, but it's so short. So yeah, let's go have breakfast. Just brush my teeth real quick, and then we can be out. We can be out. We can be out. We can be out. Open up the door. Open up the door. Open up the door. No cow. So just wash my face quickly. Oh, I hate pimples. Why are you here? And I didn't bring my face scrub, my charcoal face wash because I don't think I need it. Guess I was wrong. And it's hectic. So I don't even get why because I haven't been eating junk like that. But you know what? It is what it is. My Garnier vitamin C booster serum, my fighter for everything. Okay, I'm just gonna do like this because I'm gonna out and then come back and wash my face again. I actually bought 2 of these. I bought this black one and I bought a blue one, but the blue one is short. I think I'll just wear it tomorrow. But making things very awkward for people's fathers if I wear the blue one, because it's so short. Like it's literally just to go to the gym and back. I cannot be wearing such that people are still gonna eat. Also guys, having a big bum is so like I don't even know how to describe it. Like yeah, as a man it just like draws so much attention to you. I feel like it. Maybe it's just all in my head. As I don't know. Here's my sunscreen. Cool. Yesterday I tried the lip scrub. My lips feel really soft, but I don't see a difference yet. But my lips feel so soft. Like yeah. So I guess that's the difference. Also, why didn't this camera charge? It was on the charge for the whole night. Yo, like it's literally on 1 bar. So I literally have to save this battery just to shoot the breakfast I'll be eating. Cause and then okay now I'll just shoot with my phone and then charge it and then come back before I go to the gym. Cause I need to shoot at the gym. I hate when it does this. Open the door. Yeah, wait. Okay, loves. Yay. Yay, I'm the only one at the gym. I love it for me. I love it for me. I'm the only one here. Perfect. 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 Hello. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So guys, it's the gym over here. It's a cute little gym. You see? Just have mostly for cardio, which I get. But yeah, that's okay. That's actually what I need. So yeah, I'm gonna do a few workouts. I also want to use this bench. I will be definitely using this bench. Oh, oh, so heavy. Love you in the worst way, worst way. Let's go. After school is after school. Morning, my loves. I hope you guys are having a beautiful morning, having a beautiful day. Whenever you see this, I hope you're having beautiful night. If you're watching it at night, if you're watching it during the day, having a good day. And if you're watching in the morning, I hope you're having a good morning. Yo, sorry guys for mumbling like that. And excuse my lips. I just used this lip scrub, so I just wanted to sit for a bit. But yo guys, like I feel so tired, and this is even crazy because I didn't even do anything. All I've been doing is just sleeping. Because yesterday after I came back from dinner, I wanted to go out because I bumped into Blackie by the reception here. And I checked his Instagram. I saw, oh, okay, he's performing this side, and I wanted to go because I'm such a big Blackie fan, you know. I was like, you know what, I need to go. I didn't have plans for tonight anyways. I wanted to just go and support the boy and also just watch the performance because I really love his songs. Like, I'm a big fan. Not me oversleeping, child. I set an alarm for midnight because I got chatting around like 9:30. Not me oversleeping and waking up only at 4 o'clock. I was just like, damn, bro. And yesterday was like my only day to go out, like, because tomorrow and Tuesday I'm leaving. Tomorrow I'm going to the June and the beach. So like it's my only day to go out, and clubs don't even open during the week. Like, but you know what, it's fine. I wanted to experience the nightlife of this side. I don't know, maybe I'll do it tonight. I don't know, maybe tonight. I hope they still like vibey on Sundays. Guys, I feel so tired because I overslept. There's nothing I hate like oversleeping. Because I slept so early. Like I slept at like 10 o'clock and I woke up at 4. So when I woke up at 4, I'm like, fuck bro, what the hell? I was scrolling on my phone and I started to watch Blood Legacy, and then I passed out and I just woke up now at like 9. So I feel so tired for no reason. Like I'm so mad. I'm so mad because why do I feel like this? I don't know, maybe I need some breakfast in me, so I'm just gonna go eat like cereal and then go to the gym because yeah. And so this is my other gym fit that I bought. It's looking very cute, see? I like the fit. I like it's not too tight, it's just perfect. And I like the bag. Like, it's so sexy, right? Like, girl, what do you even mean? But yeah guys, I'm so mad, like Aibo. But yeah, anyways, I'm also having a problem with my camera charger, so I can't go with it. Like it's been charging the whole night but it didn't charge, so I think the problem might be the actual head. Like it's not charging. It's not charging because now it's gonna switch off this camera. I'm so mad, but I don't know. I'll have to buy a charger head, like an adapter, somewhere here for USB cable. But yeah, guys, let me start my day. Excuse the crust. That looks so terrible. Yeah, I'm convinced people do not gym here, because again I'm the only one here. Out of tensions. But guys, how cute is my gym jumpsuit or whatever they call this? It's so cute. It's so cute, making my body pop, like pop pop pop. Today I'm doing some leg workouts. As yesterday I was doing my back and my stomach, so today I'm focusing on legs. Yeah, I'm about to die and I literally only have an hour.
Oh, these trees look nice. I love the ocean, Keminake.
This princess, but to be honest, I also love the ocean.
I love
like that thing I wanted to go to because you just won't find anywhere else in the world.
Yeah, it's like an experience thing. Samba Sambi. Shakes, no lazy. Guys, no, I'm sold.
Yo, this is nice.
Imagine staying here. Look how normal their houses are. But we have arrived, guys, at the beach. Abantu lelokwe. Hayibo lelokwe. So unfortunately we didn't get a booking. We didn't get space at the Strand, but it's a very beautiful hotel. The lady assisted us, the receptionist. One of the receptionists helped us get another place, and also she helped us book like our activities. She's so nice. Yeah, so we got a second location and it's very beautiful, also beach views. So, and I'm actually happier with it. I think we might even have more fun there because the rooms are bigger. The rooms here were actually very like small, and also the decoration was very mid. I feel like I was home or something, but yeah, so I guess it was just not meant to be. But we're going to the beach lodge, ne? Beach lodge. So I'm looking forward to that. Yes. This is not too far. I'm just so hungry, guys. I'm starving. Yeah.
I think it's nicer than that one.
It is nicer than that one. Guys, this is the hotel. We are here. It is nice, huh?
No, this is nice.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is nice.
Look, I love it.
This is the one.
Beach lodge. There we go. Ooh wee. Ooh, wow. Okay. This is the room. So stunning. So stunning. Literally. Here we go here. This is the bathroom, looking so ever beautiful. Bathroom and a shower over here. And then it's got 2 bedrooms, 2 beds. Oh wow. to the beach. And we are here. We can open, oh, it's locked. And this is the room. This is my bed chair. My bed chair. And then we get here, chair. And we open here, chair. Oh, guys, I'm screaming because there's no way. Get out of here. What did you mean? This is so beautiful. I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed because there's no way. There is no way, love. I cannot believe we found this place. This was so meant to be. Like, so meant to be, guys. So meant to be. Like, wow. I'm so happy. Let me change quickly before these people get here. We are going quad biking. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to that so much. So let me quickly change. Jeez, I really hope this looks nice. I don't know. Never worn these things, these colors together before. Really hope it looks nice. Okay, doesn't look bad, but I don't know if it's giving what I want. I don't know if it's giving quad biking. I think it's fine. It's not like I brought anything else. So, and I don't think shorts would be appropriate for quad biking right now because also it's so windy outside. It's so windy outside, Sana. Where's the lighting, babe? Here, I guess. Okay. Oh, guys, I look like a mess. And also, I'm just so hungry. Like, come on, like, come on. I think these earrings are actually fine for what we're going to do. And I'm wearing boots because I don't want sand in my shoes. But I don't know how the boots are gonna look. That's what's stressing me. Also my hair, like what is going on with my life today? My hair is all over the place. Oh, jeez. Like this hair is so tired now. Like even the lace and jet is just saying, you can't tell a baby girl. I've been holding you down, but now I'm tired. Ish, I wanted to wear this, but I don't think it makes sense for quad biking. I'll wear it with this thing tomorrow. Yeah, it does not make sense with quad biking. Where are the socks? So I just need to put on mascara. Because I am so oily and just tired. That drive was actually long, you know? I think that's why it's making me so tired. The drive was so long. Okay, I'll just put this here. Look guys, I love this place. Like, please just, I'm just gonna do this so y'all can actually see how beautiful this view is. I hope y'all can actually see it. Cause what a view, girl. What do you mean, girl? What do you mean, honey? What do you mean? It's
so gorgeous. I'm obsessed, okay?
She wanted to do it.
Huh? About me, I don't even have stuff to wash my hair.
You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley Paris. Yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things. Yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley Paris. Yeah. Speed post, baby, in Mickey Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce, baby, in hitting deals. Bags full of $100 bills. Talking past your wife if she can chill. All because
Wow, that was amazing. I am so, like, I don't even know, I have no words. I'm just so happy, I can't stop smiling. I like adrenaline so much, like, I was speeding there. I wish I got some videos with the camera, but I couldn't. But I managed to take the guy, the instructor, managed to take me some videos with my phone. I'm so happy, and he even shot in portrait so I can add them on the vlog. Like, it's so amazing. But yeah, guys, it was such a fun experience. Like, I've never done that. But anyways, we are at the restaurant now. It was, guys, I can't stop talking about it. It's my first time doing quad biking, and wow, like the desert. It was not the desert, it was like the sand. It was so beautiful, guys. Like, wow, I'm so impressed. Like 10 out of 10. I think I might like Namibia more than I like Cape Town. Like, I think I'm done with Cape Town. Okay, let me not hate on Cape Town. I love Cape Town so much, but like, I just know it's not. I'm not always gonna be in Cape Town now that I know there's places like this. Like, wow, I'm so impressed. Like, no man, too good, child, too good. 10 out of 10. But anyways, I'm at the restaurant now for to eat. I'm so hungry. Didn't even get a chance to eat when we got here because our appointment was for 4 for the quad biking, so we literally had to just change and go. So I didn't even get to eat. I'm so hungry after that long drive. Like, but yeah, this is such a beautiful restaurant, guys. Let me show y'all.
Quite peak when it comes to things, but
I know, right?
it was almost perfect.
Bruh, like, I'm so impressed. Like, no complaints, nothing. Morning. Swag up, man. Looking beautiful. It's a beautiful morning, and we got a very early start today, guys. We got a very early morning. Like, we have a full day of plans. So today we are going to our other activity. Let me just see that pamphlet. Where is it? So what we're doing today, it's also still the same place, sponsored by the same people that we did the quad biking with yesterday. So today we chose this
Oh no, this is something else. Oh no, I'm actually mistaken. Okay, today we're doing something totally different. I'm actually mistaken, guys. Today we're doing something different. We're going on the boat cruise. We're gonna see some dolphins. And let me just read the message. We're gonna see some dolphins. And we're doing yeah, the Mula Mula boat cruise, and then we're doing what is this? The Sandwich Harbor. So the Sandwich Harbor is like where the ocean and the sand meet, or they say kiss to be specific. And but you know, we might do skydiving, but we're still very scared of that. We're not sure. But yeah, I'm looking forward to today. It's just the activities are gonna take longer. They're gonna take long because this tour is like from 7:15 to 4 p.m. So it's a full day. You get me? So it's a whole full day. So I'm sure there'll be other things that we do there. Yeah, to pass time. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm just trying to make my bed quickly because also I just have to be quick because I also want to go eat breakfast. So I literally only have 10 minutes to freshen up. But at least I showered last night. So that is a positive. I mean, I took a bath last night because I was freezing. One thing about being next to the ocean, yo guys, and last night I had such an emotional night. Oh my goodness. I had just spoken to my mom and she was just telling me about like stuff that's happening back home in Eastern Cape. And like, yo bruh, the crime in Utnik is so hectic. Like, it's so hectic, it worries me, like, gives me sleepless nights. I just hope and pray God blesses me so I can buy my mom a house in Joburg or Pretoria that like, and she can be safe and close to me, because also it just gives me so much anxiety that she's so far. And literally now that the crime is just so bad, anything can happen, you know. And I really don't want my mom like getting shot or getting like robbed, because recently she literally like got robbed, like, and she was held at gunpoint, like at her house, in her house. So you can just imagine how hectic that is. This is hot chocolate. Just warm me up. But the biggest galka, guys, ew. Yo, look at me change them. The biggest galka is that I don't have warm clothes. I didn't pack warm clothes. I literally packed like dresses. And looking at this weather, child, like, what was I thinking? And I literally left like in the hotel, the other hotel. I left my bag. I left my suitcase, my big suitcase. So I left my warm jersey and my jeans, because I could have worn that today. Shot myself on the foot there. Just like when we came here, I thought like, if Windhoek was like that hot, I'm sure this side is even gonna be hotter. But I'm finding out it's the opposite. But it might be a hot day. It's just it's always like so windy at the beach. But yeah, guys, let me finish up quickly and let's go.
不然阴天了呀。走。
Oh, we're not all together. Hey, but
We're not. Time for that road trip. What's that? Yeah, we paid. Yeah, we paid. Yeah, guys, we gotta go to the boats. Looking nice. It's so cold today. Like out of all the days we chose, it's cold as weather. Oh, God.
Yo.
Oh, watch out, watch your step. It is slippery at the bottom.
Damn.
Give this white cans. Okay. Yellow moet dive it here. The white ones.
Lady Victoria. Hey, Mariweda today. Experience is like mad. So cold. Guys, it's so relaxing. I feel so good. I could sleep right now. Like if there was a bed, I was even sleeping on this thing. If there was a bed here, I would have been passed out already. Having a good time. We even tried, we saw some whales. We even almost bumped into a whale, imagine. So crazy. That is such a beautiful experience, guys. I'm enjoying myself too much. Too good. Yeah. Hey love. So we've started our second part of the tour. This is the Sandwich Harbor tour. So the first stop is the we just stop here to see some flamingos. There are some beautiful flamingos in the background over here. You can actually see there. It looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. There's pink one and there's white one. Yeah. So now guys, still excited to see that view. I really can't wait for you guys to watch this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Let them know. Tell your friends to tell your friends to come watch my vlog, my Namibia vlog. So I hope you enjoy. So this one is still young. I wish I would spread out more, hey? Like they're all just together. So the salt mine, guys. So pretty. It's literally pink. Obsessed. Obsessed. My camera can show the speakers. So you're saying that they called some people
yeah.
for this type of animals to come and like find out if anything is going. Yeah, they'll come.
Yeah, I don't know.
I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. Look at that car. They're looking so I'm obsessed. It's so cool. It's too cool, yeah. Let's put my camera. Position. Position.